Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the proximity sensor test in the IQ7 device. Yes friends, a lot of users did ask me this kind of question. Can you please do the proximity sensor test in this phone by turning off the complete studio lights? The reason is because they were able to see some kind of light blinking on the screen, yes, in the IQ7 device. So there is blinking will be happening only if there is any kind of proximity sensor inside this kind of panel. That is what I'm going to test in this video. I'll try to compare with the side-by-side other phones as well. So where you will be seeing this kind of blinking, as you can see on the top, so which is not the notification, which is present in the OnePlus 8T, so which is a proximity sensor that helps a lot. So some of the users, when they're trying to use the IQ7 device, they are feeling some kind of issues with the proximity. When they're trying to make a call, the proximity sensor is not working properly. So right now let's explore in our video. If you observe closely, there should be some kind of light blinking. Let me try to turn off my studio lights and then I'll be trying to show you what is happening. As you can see friends, right now let me try to show you exactly where the light is blinking. As you can see in this IQ7 device, so inside this display, it's not on the top of the display. I'm not sure whether this is the auto brightness or whether this is a proximity sensor, but this is happening in the IQ7 device. As you can see, the IQ7 exactly. But one thing, some of the users did mention that if you try to use the always on display and if you try to cover this sensor which is present, the always on display will be completely turned off. Let me try to do that testing right now. So is a sensor, I'm trying to cover that sensor, proximity sensor, just to see always on display will be turned off or not. Right now the always on display turned off and it's coming on, as you can see. So I'm not sure whether that is a proximity sensor or whether that's a normal sensor, because if it's a proximity sensor, there's another application which to test the proximity sensor. Let me try to open the application. So this is the application which I'm trying to talk about friends, which is a sensor test, which will try to test the proximity. Whenever we try to cover our finger near the proximity sensor, this light should turn off, but it's not turning off. I'm not sure what that was supposed to be there, why that light is blinking and what type of sensor it is inside the screen, which you'll be able to see little by little. As you can see, this is a small detail. So this is what I thought of, just giving a chance to my subscribers who are using the IQ7 to test. Just let me know friends, what is this sensor do you think? Is it proximity sensor or is it kind of auto brightness sensor? So I'm really confused. So let me make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And if it's a proximity sensor, the lights will be blinking in this way. You can see the other phones, other lights are blinking, as you can see. Proximity sensor which is present on the borders, not in the display. Exactly in the borders they are present. As you can see how they are blinking. But whereas in the IQ7 device, for strange, it's in the inside the display. I'm getting that feel. So as you can see inside the display, it's blinking just a little. As you can see friends, it's kind of blinking and that's it. So it's not that proximity sensor type. I'm not sure exactly what this kind of sensor is, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video, and can you explain please? Even sorry friends, even I don't have any idea what this exact light, why it's blinking. I'm not sure whether it's a light sensor or maybe auto brightness sensor or maybe the proximity sensor. But proximity sensor, it's not working in the IQ7 device. It only works when you try to lift your phone and try to keep in this position. Only then the light will turn off. Let me show you. Even now it's not working. Sometimes it used to work. I'm not sure why. This accelerometer sensor, accelerometer sensor, something is there, so I cannot pronounce it properly. So it's a call which I'm trying to do. As you can see, without pressing power button, it's offing. It's kind of accelerometer sensor. When you try to keep the hand and cover it, it won't turn off the screen. As you can see friends clearly. These are the clear problem which I thought of just demonstrating in the video. So let me know in the comment section below friends what you think, what is the sensor, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned for more updates, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye. And sorry friends, I thought of showing you this thing. I did turn off the always on display. So always on display is completely turned off, and now I can see the light is blinking. So same like the proximity sensor. So I think that's a proximity sensor. It's not none other than, yes, I think so, yes, it's absolutely, as you can see, both proximity sensor which is present. So the reason maybe this proximity sensor is inside the display, I think. As you can see right now it's blinking. So I did turn off the complete always on display. Don't try to use always on display. If you try to use always on display, it's blinking only randomly, it's not blinking continuously. That's the one thing I thought of mentioning. So you can see small light in the IQ7 device. It's not that visible overall, but just a little bit. But overall, when I try to use that application, it's not working for me. it's a kind of weird. Even if I try to use that same application, I'm trying to close, it's not responding at all for the proximity. So I thought of just letting you know by disabling the always on display. Just I got a thought and I thought of making a video. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.